So children, just join your hand, close your eyes and say, Oh God,
Oh
help
God,
us, help
help
us
us
to be good,
good,
to do to other
do to others
as we should,
as we should,
not to hate,
not to hate,
but to love,
but to love,
send us peace
and us
from above,
from
from
effort.
above. Amen.
Peace.
Thank you. But 16 students only. Okay, so student, we supposed to start chapter number 12 from science. Yes. Okay, so take out your science book. Take out your science book and open chapter 12. Chapter 12. Chapter number 12. It's very weather and season. The name of the chapter is weather and season. So first it is written that color the circle that match with picture. Color the circle that match with picture. So the first picture is rainy or cloudy. Is rainy. Then in the second picture, cold or hot, we can see there is a on the table a cup of tea, and obviously it is hot because steam and vapor coming out from the cup. And after that, windy or sunny. Yes, it is obviously a sunny day. Now, just let's start the main portion. Kriti told her mother that the last day was very cloudy and today the day is sunny. Why did she say so? Why? Because yesterday she said that yesterday was cloudy and today is sunny. But student, why this happened? This is because weather keeps changing from time to time and day to day. So underline this sentence. Why? Why we face that sometime it's sunny and sometime it's rainy because that weather change day by day, time to time. Okay, time to time. May it's now sunny, maybe after some time, after few hours it can cloudy. So what is weather? It is written over here that weather is a condition of the year at any given place and time. Sorry. What is weather? Weather is a condition of air at any given place and time. Weather may be hot, may be cold, sunny, windy, rainy, or cloudy. So this is called weather. Okay, so there is a difference, student, between weather and season. Don't mix these two words together. What we try to understand what is weather. Now we are talking about weather, not season. Seasons are absolutely totally different. Now we are talking about weather. Okay, so what is weather? Weather means day to day change of air, day to day condition of the air at any given place. Okay, now maybe most of you live in Bagnan. I live in Howrah. So it may happen the weather of your area also may not match with my area. In my area now it's sunny. Maybe in Bagnan it may be cloudy. So weather depend on the condition of the air. If the air is cool, so you will feel cool. Whether is the if it is contain cloud, so maybe the weather will be cloudy. Okay, so weather means the condition of the year of a given place, of a particular place. Now we are going to talk about season. Now what is a season? When one type of weather stays for many days or months. One type of weather. Now listen to me very carefully. One type of weather stays for many days or months. It is called season. So there are 5 seasons in a year. So what is season? Like now winter season. Why? Because now, so one type of weather. Now the weather is very cool. We are feeling very cool. This is a cold weather. So this cool weather is staying here for many days from last 2 weeks. Yes. So this is why this called season. There are 5 seasons: summer, winter, monsoon, autumn, spring, rainy. Okay. So this is the difference between weather and season. Weather means day to day change, day to day condition of the air that change day to day, time to time. But season means when one type of weather, one type of weather. This one type of weather means maybe the weather can be hot. If it is hot, then we will say it is summer season. If it is cold, then we will say it is winter season. If it's raining for a long time, for a few months, so it will be rainy season. Okay. And in spring, and in autumn is neither cold or not hot. So pleasant season. Okay. So this is called season. Student, you are advised to just keep yourself mute. Okay. Now we are going to start summer season. Summer season start from the month of April and last up to the end of June. ঠিক আছে? Okay. So summer season start from the month of April and last up to the end of June. The sun shines brightly and makes the day very hot. Sweat mean in Bengali we say gham. Sweat flows down from our body which make us feel tired and thirsty. We wear cotton cloth to keep our body cool and calm. So in summer we used to wear cotton cloth that keep our body cool and calm. The hot wind called Loo. So what is Loo? The hot wind that blow throughout the day of a summer season, that is called Loo. We enjoy fruits like mango, lychee, strawberries and watermelon in this season. We also like to have ice cream, cold water, soft drink, squash, fruit juice. We use fans, cooler and air conditioner to keep ourselves cool. So what are the items that we use in summer season to keep ourselves cool? Item like cooler, air conditioner that keep us cool. Completed? Okay, one by one rule. So student, you all are advised to now go through summer season. After that again I will start winter. I'm giving you 2 minutes to read out this. No need to unmute your device, just read out the same paragraph summer season. After that I'll continue winter. Okay, do. Alia Yasmin, where are you? Alia, Aryan Ahmed. Okay, so let's start from winter. December and January are the main month of winter season. December and January, these 2 months are the main month of winter season. During this season, cold wind blow and thick fog often hide the sun. The days and the nights are very cold in this month. The days and the nights are very cold in this month. We enjoy fruits like orange, grapes, apple, and vegetables like cabbage, turnip, cauliflower, radish, tomato. Lots of fruit we can see in this season. Turnip, cauliflower, radish, tomato, etc. in this season. We like basking in the sun and sitting around the fire to keep our body warm. So how we can keep our body warm in this winter season? Sitting around the fire, okay, basking in the sun, we can keep our body warm in this winter season. And we usually also do the same thing. We wear woolen cloth and use blanket. Quilt mean lap, CUILTS will mean lap, etc. to protect ourselves from cold. We also like to have hot drinks like tea and coffee. We also like to take tea all time, but mainly coffee, because coffee and tea, these two drink keep our body so warm. So there is a little true fact. What is written there? It is written that on hilly areas, snow and sleet fall in the winter season. On hilly areas, snow and sleet fall in the winter season. Snow and sleet. মানে কি বরফ তুষারপাত can see fall in the winter season. So yes, Pandon.
Ma'am, I am late join. I have in any network problem.
Yes.
I try and try, but that say Zoom app say connecting.
Okay, for the network problem, better to do just okay. Now continue your class, but once your class will get over, try to update your Zoom app. Just go check Play Store. Any update is there for Zoom app. If it is there, then you are advised to update your Zoom app. Maybe your problem will be solved. Okay, so like Spondon, those who are repeatedly facing problem to join in the class, so all are advised to update Zoom session. I hope in your group you got a link from school that how you can update your Zoom app. Okay, now again read the paragraph winter season. Zenifa Khan, Raha, start reading. What happened, Fatia? Don't unmute your device. Acha, Ritosri, unmute your device and start reading from the first paragraph. Ritosri.
Yes, ma'am. To her mother, they had old and old.
I can't understand, Ritosri. Okay, I can understand. You are having too much network problem because your voice is breaking so badly. Yes, very good. Okay, you are having too much network problem. Acha, okay, next Ifra. Okay, skip. You can keep your reading. Okay, continue please your reading. Ifra, start reading from summer season. Summer season. Summer season.
Yes, ma'am. Summer season starts from the month of April and lasts up to the end of June. The sun shines brightly and makes the day every hot. Sweet rolls down from our body, which makes us feel tired and
Thirsty.
thirsty. We are content
Cotton. COTTON. Cotton clothes. Cotton clothes.
to keep our body cool and calm.
Not
The
clam. It is calm. CALM. Calm.
winds
The hot winds. The hot winds.
hot means cold low.
Loo. It is
Blow.
loo. Not low. It is loo. 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 Loo.
Blue blow
Throughout
throughout
the
the
day.
day.
Okay. You may stop now. But continue your reading. I'm muting you, but you may continue your reading. Okay. Acha, Aryan Ahmed. Aryan Ahmed, are you there in the class? You are advised to place your device properly because I can only see the ceiling fan. You are not visual properly. And Aryan Ahmed, where is your uniform? How many times I need to say that don't attend the class without uniform?
Hello ma'am.
Where is your uniform?
আবুর ক্যাম্পে এসেছি সেই জন্য আমার ইউনিফর্মটা আনা হয়নি।
So then why you are doing the class? So today you will mark absent in science class. How many times I need to say? If you are outside from your home, if uniform is not there, then don't do the class. Student, let me loud and clear. Don't take advantage of the online classes. Don't take advantage of the online classes. Don't think it is online class. Don't be sorry. I'm saying you sorry. Okay, I'm extremely sorry, but today I have to mark you absent as you are doing the class without uniform. Sorry, I can't allow you to do this. Maybe you can continue, but you will not get today's attendance. This is the rule. This is the rule. So kindly follow the discipline. Kindly follow the discipline. Fatiha Sultana, why your video is off? As student, not only in my class, you are strictly advised don't use a single Bengali class except Bengali period. Except Bengali period in the class. Acha, Fatiha, start reading. Start reading. Can't you listen me, Fatiha? Unmute your device and start reading from the hot wind. Fatiha, what happened? I think you are not attentive in the class. That's why you can't understand what I'm saying. Okay, Orkopriya, start reading. Orkopriya, start reading from the hot winds. The hot wind called Loo blow throughout the day. It is in the summer season, Orkopriya, page number 71. It is in the paragraph of summer season. The hot wind called Lu blow throughout the day.
The hot winds
Called Lu
blows throughout the
not blows,
day.
it is
We
blow.
enjoy
Blow throughout the day.
blow throughout the day. We enjoy foods like mangoes, lychees, and watermelon in this season. We also like to have ice cream, cold water, soft drink, and fruit juice. We use fans, coolers, and air conditioner to keep ourselves cool.
Okay.
Winter season.
Okay, you may stop now. Okay, very good. Farhan Akhtar, start reading winter season. Winter season.
December and January are the many weather of
Main month of winter season. Main month of winter season.
main month of winter season.
During this season,
During this season,
cold wind blow
blow and
thick, thick mean mota, thick fog, 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 kuasha, thick fog often hide the sun, often hide, লুকিয়ে দেয়, hide the sun.
often hide the sun.
The days and nights
and the night are very cold in this
1 minute. Aryan Ahmed, how dare you to do this? How dare you to do this? On the online class, you are brushing your teeth. What is this, Aryan Ahmed? Call your mother. Call your mother. Where is your mother? Don't you have any sense? In the online class, you are brushing your teeth. Just get removed from my class. Just get removed from my class. You have no right to waste my timing. Where is your mother? Call your mother. Call your mother. Where is your mother? Aryan Ahmed, where is your guardian? Call them.
Sorry, ma'am.
Don't be sorry. How many times you will say sorry? First of all, you are not in your uniform. Let me talk to your parents. Let me talk to your parents. Call your mother or father who is with you. Call them. Call them. No, just call them. What I say, call them. Otherwise, you will not be allowed in my class. I want to talk to them. কেউ নেই, তুমি একা বসে ক্লাস করছো? কেউ নেই তোমার সাথে?
না।
তুমি কি জানো তুমি কোন স্কুলে পড়ো? তুমি কি এখন কোনো ভিডিও কল করছো যে তুমি ক্লাসে বসে বসে ব্রাশিং করতে পারো? How dare you to do this? You will get punished for this. Just get removed from the class.
Sorry, ma'am.
Don't be sorry. There is a limit. সবকিছু করে সরি বলা যায় না। This is my last warning to you. Behave yourself. সবকিছু করে আমি সরি বলতে পারি না। You need to be disciplined. We don't know that how long we have to continue this online class. But বাড়িতে বসেই আমাদের স্কুলের মতো সবকিছু করতে হবে। তোমরা মনে করবে স্কুলে আছি, তোমরা ভুলে যাও এই 11টা থেকে 2টো তোমরা তোমাদের বাড়িতে আছো। জাস্ট থিঙ্ক ইউ আর ইন ইউর স্কুল। স্কুলে থাকলে যেটা করতে বাড়িতেও সেটা করতে হবে। ক্লাসে বসার আগে একদম নিট অ্যান্ড ক্লিন রেডি হয়ে বসবে। অনেকেই দেখতে পাচ্ছি কোনোভাবে চাদর টাদর মুড়ি দিয়ে বসছো, খাবার খাচ্ছ। ডোন্ট ডু দিস, এভরিথিং ইজ রেকর্ডিং, সবকিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে। You are getting 10-minute break during the classes. If you need to take some food or need to go washroom, please use the time. Don't take food in the class, not only in my class. Strictly follow this rule. And Aryan, তুমি যেটা করেছো তার জন্য তোমাকে আজকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দেওয়া হবে না। আমার ক্লাসে আমি অ্যাবসেন্ট করব। ক্লাসে তুমি ব্রাশ করছিলে এন্ড সবটাই কিন্তু রেকর্ড হয়েছে। Acha, so the remaining student, today we will stop up to winter season. Okay, you are advised to just go through summer and winter season, and your homework is to make water cycle on an art paper or drawing copy and send me in the group. Send me in the group within today. By evening you can make it, or you utilize this very afternoon, the sitting under the sun. Okay, just enjoy this sunny day and sunlight and make your water cycle. It should be colorful. Okay, water cycle should be colorful just like the photo is there in your book. Okay, so I hope you will make the water cycle. And also don't forget to write your name. Don't forget to write your name, because I know that you can make very good project, and as I have checked your science project. Okay, so from water chapter, make water cycle picture. Okay, so sorry, so I'm ending the class here. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow again we have Bengali in the routine. Don't forget to revise Bengali chapter. Tomorrow we will do Bengali question answer, and this is the science homework to make water cycle drawing. Okay, bye bye.